A Marion County judge handed down a not guilty verdict for Joshua Carlisle, the man accused of killing his own 9-month-old daughter and her mother. The victim's family is devastated, but as Derek Thomas reports, the judge said the state did not prove its case beyond a reasonable doubt.
23-year-old Joshua Carlisle entered court uncertain about his future, but shortly thereafter the judge ruled he was not guilty of killing 9-month-old Juliana Carlisle and her mother, 25-year-old Tracy Shannon.
We were just stunned. We're hurt.
The judge said there's a special place in hell for whoever did this. What are your thoughts on that?
Open it up. Please open it up.
The arson and murders occurred on September 19, 2010 in this apartment complex. An accelerant believed to be lighter fluid was found on the baby's body. She died of smoke inhalation but had 3rd and 4th degree burns. Her mother died from suffocation and was dead before the fire began. Carlisle's DNA was found on Shannon's body, and prosecutors thought that might swing the verdict in their favor, but it did not.
The original thought on the police and the state was that my client had sex with her and then killed her right after that at 4:30 or 5 o'clock on that day. Well, clearly the DNA and the experts on the DNA indicated that that had to be a minimum of 6 hours old, and the maximum is 72 hours from the time of death. So clearly that DNA didn't put my client in that apartment that day.
Family members were so upset with the verdict that at least one passed out. Paramedics were called to the scene to assist. Others were so overwhelmed they had to be helped to the elevators, and some just hugged each other for support. Immediately after the verdict, Carlisle left the courthouse area. His attorney says he hopes to return to his job in the National Guard. Derek Thomas, RTV6.
And prosecutors say the motive for the murders was Carlisle had just lost his job at Best Buy and didn't want to pay child support. But again, the judge found him not guilty.